long I took. Let's get right into it. Okay, cool. So let's go on the hourly here. Now, where are we likely to go to next? So I have rewinded price to New York Open. Okay, so I'll go through you guys, and take you guys through my entry, how I managed it, why I took it, what I was looking for at that current time. Okay, so all that fun stuff. Right away, what do I see on the hourly? Well, we had lots of liquidity built up here. We ran that and shorted through it and ended up shorting right into this low where we have now trapped buyers. Okay, how have you trapped buyers? Well, take the high. They want to see continuation at the low. They get a false reaction. Then they get liquidated and we get a move to the upside. Okay, so since we've now taken the low, where do I want price? Simply to the high, Tuesday high. Okay, because this is where sellers are interested in selling right now. All right, we want to see that high taken at the least. And maybe not only that high, well, we have a bunch of equals to the left as well that we could possibly get a run into, right? So maybe take this, get a pullback, and then get that continuation up to those highs possibly. So we'll see what happens. But for today's trade, at least, let's cover this. So now that we have a sense of direction, we want price going long to this high, but we can also expect, like we said, false reactions out of the high. Okay, maybe print us a pullback and we can buy into the high. So that's what we're looking for. Going to the 5-minute, how can we get involved in this trade now? Well, right away I see this low taken. So now sellers are induced in the market, right? So we're going to have lots of liquidity above this high. Now, how can we get involved? Well, if we look to the left, we can see we've had this inducement high respected here, okay, printing us an inducement low. Okay, now ideally we want to see this taken, but not only this, if we look right to the left, we have some equals essentially with it, so we'll grab all of it. Okay, so now what can we see occur possibly? Well, when I was looking at this live, I wanted to see either a run above these highs and then we can take a short into the lows, or if we just shorted into the lows, then this would be an easy long back up. Okay, so how can we get involved now? Well, first we need to see price below this low here, as that will validate us for a long. Okay, so nice sell off. Now we're trading below the low. Perfect. Since we've taken liquidity at the lows and left inducement highs, this is now going to be an area that will most likely induce sellers, okay, and trap them. Okay, perfect. So now we're trading at this area. What we usually expect in these type of situations is a false reaction down, okay, printing us a pullback, and then we can buy into it. Okay, so a simple way to take this entry is a entry on the 5-minute liquidity block. Very, very easy stuff. So entry here, stop to the low is 923, so we'll just go 919 or even just 918, so half a pip below. Perfect. And now where are we targeting? Tuesday's high. Simple stuff. Okay, this is where sellers will be trapped, so we can use that to our advantage and take partials, pay ourselves above this high here. All right. Next candle comes, perfect. We get tagged in. Now we tap again, and now we get a move up. Okay, so right in this example here, we have now trapped sellers on the 5-minute time frame. So as soon as we stabbed above it, what did I do? I rolled my stops to break even. Okay, because now essentially my entry is an inducement low, so it's not impossible for us to come down, take the inducement low, and maybe continue up after that, or just short. So you got to be able to manage your positions accordingly and react accordingly. All right, so we taken the high, I break even my position, and we hung around for a bit, and then we started moving to the upside. And finally, blasted right through our target, and that was where I paid myself. Okay, so this is a short study, quick one, but very, very clean. This is debatably one of my favorite trades to date, and it's because it was all around perfect. I held full position to my target. There was no partials. I was confident in this target. So yeah, very, very clean stuff here. Hope you guys enjoyed this study, and I will see you on the next one.